वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 12 प्रोबेबिलिटी पार्ट नंबर 3 में एक्सरसाइज 13.2 के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। इससे पहले हम लोग पार्ट 2 के अंदर 13.1 के क्वेश्चन कर चुके हैं। चलो देखते हैं इसकी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो क्लास 12 प्रोबेबिलिटी पार्ट 3 एनसीईआरटी बुक एक्सरसाइज 13.2। So first we will see the question कि prove that probability of at least one of A and B equal to 1 minus probability of A dash into probability of B dash, where A and B are independent event. So this is most important formula format we will use in different type of the questions of probability. This formula, what probability of at least one of A and B, 1 minus probability of A dash means A naught, and probability of B dash, that is probability of B naught. So let us see the question first, that is proof. So here LHS is what? Probability of at least one of A and B. So you can write probability of A union B. Probability of A union B means probability of at least one of A and B. So what is the formula? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This is the formula of probability of A union B. Now you know that this is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. When A and B are independent event, we can write what? Probability of A multiply probability of B. Okay. Now you see this is probability of A plus, if we take common probability of B from this and this, so here probability of B, that is 1 minus probability, here we have taken common probability of B, so here let probability of A, so 1 minus probability of A. Okay, in the same way here we will get probability of A plus probability of B multiply probability of, what is this? So probability of B is 1 minus probability. So 1 minus probability of A is what? Probability of A naught. Because you know probability of A naught 1 minus probability of A. So 1 minus probability of A naught will be, A will be what? Probability of A naught. So this is probability of A naught, that is A dash. Now you know this is probability of A. So we can write 1 minus probability of A naught. Probability of A, what we can write? 1 minus probability of A naught plus probability of B multiply probability of A naught, A dash. Now you see 1 is 1. Here probability of A dash, here also we can take common. So this is probability of A naught. This is common. So here minus P of A naught. So we get here 1. But here plus. So minus plus we will take minus. So what we get? Probability of B. Because probability A naught we have taken common. Now this is 1 minus probability of A naught. You know 1 minus probability of B is also what? Probability of B naught. So this is the result, 1 minus probability of A naught into probability of B naught. Okay. So again repeating the same. We have to find probability of at least one of A and B. At least one of A means minimum A or minimum B or both. So formula probability A union B is what? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now we have to prove this. So probability of A plus probability of B. Now break this, probability of A intersection B. So you know if A and B are independent event, Then probability of A intersection B is what? Probability of A multiply probability of B. So we have written here probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B. Now you see here probability of B and here also probability. So we can take common from this and this. So when we take common, plus probability of P of B. So here we get 1, here minus probability of A. Now you see probability of A plus probability of B into 1 minus probability of A is what? Probability of A naught. So this is probability of A naught. Now probability of A can be written as 1 minus probability of A naught plus probability of B here into probability of A naught. In the both case, probability of A naught here and here probability. So we can take common. So 1 minus probability of A naught. So here 1 and here plus. So here minus. So minus minus plus. So we take minus P of B. Again 1 minus probability of A naught into 1 minus probability again probability of B naught, that is B dash. So our correct answer is 1 minus probability of A naught probability of B naught. So we have proved LHS equal to RHS. So this is LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now let us see the second question. So now this is a second. Answer second is what? Question is 2 cards are drawn. 2 cards are drawn at random and without replacement from a pack of 52 cards. That is 52 playing cards. So find the probability that both cards are black. So we have to find here probability of both card is what? Black. So both black. Okay. So you know well, in playing cards there are 52 cards. In this 52 card, 26 cards are black and 26 cards are red. So here we have to find what? We are taking 2 cards. So we have to find probability both cards are black. So only black cards how much? 26. So when we take 2 cards, it is the case of combination. So we have to find favorable is what? Black cards. So black card is 26. So it will be 26C2. And total card is what? 52. So total number of sample space will be what? 52C2. So this is 52C2. So you know probability of any event is what? Favorable outcome by total outcome. So favorable outcome is what? Both cards should be black. So total in 52 cards, 26 cards are black. We are taking 2 cards. So how many groups of the 2 cards in 26? So 26C2 and this is 52C2. Now everyone know this is the formula of combination NCR. So this is and this here. So factorial of n, that is 26 factorial. Factorial of r, that is 2. And factorial of n minus r. So 26 minus 2, that is 24 factorial. In the same way 52C2. So this is what? 52 factorial. Here 2 factorial and 52 minus 2, 50 factorial. Now we can solve this expression very easily, very simple way. See how. So you know this is 26 factorial by 2 factorial into 24. So when we break this number 26 factorial, so 26, 25, 24. Here already 24. So this 24 will be cancelled out. So you will get 26 multiply 25 only, because after 25 there is a 24 factorial. Here 24 factorial cancelled out. Now we have only 2. In the same way here 52 factorial and this is what? 50 factorial. Again when we break this 52 factorial, you will get 52 multiply 51 multiply 50. Here already 50 given, it will be cancelled out. So we will get what? This is 52 multiply 51. and again then 2 factorial. Now we can solve very easily this. So this portion divide this portion. Okay, so you know well 26 multiply 25 by 2. This is divide. When we divide any number, then change the divide into multiply. Then number after divide will become reciprocal. So it will reverse, that is 2 upon 52 into 51. Now this 2 and 2 cancel. 26 2 ja. 2 6 are 12, 2 2 ja for 2. Now it is 25 upon 2. So this is not divisible. Now you see 26 into 25 by 2, and this become 2 upon 52 into 51. So this 26 2 ja 52 and 2 2 cancel out. So we get how much? This is 25 divided by 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. So our correct answer is what? 25 upon 102. Again listen this question carefully. First question is what? 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards without replacement. Then find the probability that both cards are black. So what is favorable outcome? Both cards should be black. So total black card is 26. We are taking 2 cards. So 26 C2 is favorable outcome. Total outcome is what? Total card is 52. We are taking 2 cards. So 52 C2. Now you solve this question. You know the formula NCR. N factorial 26. R factorial 2. N minus R, that is 26 minus 2 24. Again here 52 C2. So n factorial 52 factorial, r factorial 2 factorial, and 52 minus 2 50 factorial. Now when we break this number, so 26 into 25 into 24 cancel out. So 26 into 25 divide 2 only. Again divided by 52 factorial, here 50. So 52 into 51, then 50 cancel out, divide 2. Now this number divide this number, so this number multiply, this will reverse. So 26 into 25 by 2 multiply 2 divide 52 by 50. We can cancel here also. But we are doing this so that you can understood very easily in a simple way. We can cut here also. This 2 and 2 cancel out. We will get our answer here only. But solving this question in this way so that you will understood better. So this divide this. So this multiply. This will become reciprocal. Now it is very clear. This 2 and 2 cancel out. 26 2 ja 52. We will get 25 upon 2 into 51, that is 25 by 102. This is our correct answer. Now see the third question. So this is the third question. So third question is lengthy language, but question is very simple. Question is what? A box of oranges is inspected by examining 3 randomly selected orange drawn without replacement. If all 3 oranges are good, the box is approved for a sale. Otherwise, it is rejected. Find the probability that box containing 15 oranges, out of which 12 are good and 3 are bad ones, will be approved for the sale. So question is what? A box of orange, there are a lot of box. One box of a box of orange inspected by examining 3 randomly selected orange drawn without replacement. You have taken 3 oranges from the box without replacement. If all the 3 oranges are good, then it is approved for sale. Otherwise, it is rejected. So our question is find probability that box containing 15 orange, out of it 12 are good and 3 are bad, will be approved. So probability of 3 good oranges, because if all oranges are good, then it will be approved for sale. So probability of 3 good oranges. So same type question, total orange in the box is 15. In this 15, 12 are good and 3 are bad. So favorable is what? good only. If all the 3 oranges are good, then it will be approved. So we have to favorable is what? Good oranges. How many oranges we are taking? 3 oranges. So this is favorable outcome is what? That is 12C3, because 12 are good orange, so 12C3. Now total outcome is what? Total orange is 15. So this is 15C3. So our answer is 12C3, 15C3. Something there is a multiple choice question, only this is given, it is your right answer. Now you can solve this. So 12C3 is what? 12 factorial. Again R is 3, so 3 factorial. 12 minus 3, 9. So this is 9 factorial. Here again, this is 15 factorial. Again 3 factorial. 15 minus 3, that is 12 factorial. Now you can find this very easily in the same way. Because this is what? 12 factorial. So this is 12 into 11 into 10. And then 9. So this 9 factorial will be cancelled out. Now this is 3 factorial. So you know well, 3 factorial means 3 into 2. Now we are doing this expression is divide. This divide this. So when divide, change into multiply, become reciprocal. So it will go up, it will go down. So they say 3 factorial is what? 3 into 2. And this 12 will be cancelled out because 15 become 15, 14 and 13. Then 12, so 12 will be cancelled out. So we will get how much? 15, 14 into 13. Again listen, this is 12 factorial, this is 9. So 12, 11, 10. Then 9 factorial, it will be cancelled out. Only 3 factorial left, 3 into 2. Multiply this number. So this number become reciprocal. So first you see 15 and 12. So when we break this 15, so 15 multiply 14 multiply 13, then 12. So 12 will be cancelled. We get 15, 14, 13. And this is 3, 2. So it will become reciprocal. So 3 into 2 by 15, 14, 13. Now you know this is 3 into 2. So this 3 into 2, 6 cancel out. Now this is what? This is 10. So 5 2s are 10 and this is 5 3s are 15. Again this is 2. So 2 7s are 14. Again this is 3. So this is 3 4s are 12. Now you see here 4 and 11. Here 7 and 13. So it is not divisible by any other. So now this is 4 into 11, 44. Here 13 into 7, 91. So this is our correct answer. For this type of question, we can solve very easily. Thank you.